The Grain Trade Center in Vienna was the 17th urban bombing in 4 weeks, blamed on Nod terrorists.
The Security Commission remains in closed session tonight following Nod terrorist actions in Slovenia.
At least your mother tipped well.
New Tiberium harvesting methods instituted by the Brotherhood of Nod increase profitability by 49%.
The CDC, in partnership with the Global Defense Initiative, has issued a Tiberium outbreak warning for Harris County, Texas. Tiberium blossoms have been discovered in this area. Evacuation is mandatory. Please evacuate to either Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, or San Antonio. GDI will establish refugee camps in those areas. Please follow directions of police and military personnel. You will not be able to return to your homes. Tiberium poisoning is fatal and incurable. GDI hazmat teams are en route to assist with evacuations. If you see a Tiberium blossom, do not approach it. Leave the area immediately and call 911 and give them the exact location of the blossom.